YouTube, what's up? Today's video we're getting the 275's installed with the 305's in the back. We at the tire shop right now. I'm gonna record. I didn't record the ride here, but they're about to install them right now. So I'm gonna go get some video clips of it. You new, hit that subscribe button, like, comment. We got the Hellcat replicas, some big old tires, but let's get it. Alright, we gotta go to a tire shop. The bolts that American Muscle had sent with the tires did not fit, so now we gotta go to a tire shop and get the right bolts and then come back. But the car's still there though, mounted. Alright, we got the lug nuts. Now we headed back. Hopefully they don't say nothing else is wrong, or hopefully they didn't mess up on their end on the wrong side that I needed to get now, but yeah, I'll start recording once we get back there. Sheesh. Tire shop had messed up on the lug nuts that they told me to get. They told me to get 9/16 and it was supposed to be 14 millimeter, but they found that out the third time. By the third time I'm not running back and forth going to the damn tire supply store, so they just ordered the part. And after they ordered the part, I showed up the next day and then they installed it. I got the 245's behind me. Man, I'm trying to get rid of these things, bro. Everyone say keep them, but bro, nobody wants 245's with the stock wheels. Like, the best you could do is get like 300 for them. People say you could get 2,000. Nah, bro. Look around. You gonna see, man. If you're the Inland Empire and you want these damn near tires, come get them for 240's, $200, all yours. It's supposed to be bulking season. I'm not bulking. I'm gonna cut my 180 right now, but I'll cut it for sure. Jeez. All right, let's show the outside. Yeah, I'm not using the GoPro either because that shit been getting on my nerves. If you also want that GoPro, you can come get it too. $200 and it's all yours. I'm recording on my phone now, but I'm gonna show y'all the RT with these Hellcat replicas. 305's in the back, 275's in the front. All right, y'all ready? The car do kind of sit high. Let's see. All right, boom. 275's in the front, the Hellcat replicas. I think I low-key just need to add, lowering springs. I think it'll look better with the lowering springs. The 305's are wide now. These motherfuckers big as hell. You can see 305's. Here's the side view. Back. They kind of pop out. That shit. Like, I don't know. They kind of pop out a little bit. But I think I need to add lowering springs. Spoiler coming this week. With the spoiler coming this week. But yeah, it's starting to look more and more like the Scat. But oh yeah, and I'm about to get the hood wrap too. Not sure when, but yeah, these are the tires. Remember, 275's, 305's in the back. The lowering springs, I need to add those. The window tinted. There's the back. But yeah, that was the tire setup. Fucking expensive tire setup. I need to add some lowering springs. Get a new front lip. The hood's getting wrapped. The spoiler and the wicker bill will be getting installed this week, maybe. And then, yeah, the lowering springs, they need it for the show come, because I think it'll look better and sit better with the lowering springs. The 305's pop out. I'm telling you, I've been driving around, people be like, damn, bro, them tires big, bro. What are they, 305's? But yeah, they 305, 275 in the front. And then they'll be like, yeah. But I'm like, yeah, they fast. Oh, shit, they ain't. Car ain't fat, but the fucking tires, they fat. They sit fat. I feel like it looks better in person, though. But if I have the lowering springs, it'll look better on video. But yeah, I think I'm just need them lowering springs for sure. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, like, comment. I think I added the before and after of the tires. And then yeah, if you're new, like, subscribe, comment. Peace. Hey, but this taper look clean as shit. Ain't gonna cap. Like, damn, I'm always waving right now. Damn, this lighting is just hitting different for real. But all right, hold on, let me go. Let's go outside. Oh yeah, but yeah. Before that, let me add the sound of the RT right now. This shit, ooh. Damn. Nigga, I don't give a... No, peace out, though.